What's going on, guys? How's it going? Wanted to share a quick little workflow with you guys. The business use case for this, right? So let's say we have a small solopreneur. She owns a small candle business, right? She hand pours candles. It's her side hustle. It's not her full-time job. She has a very demanding, very rigorous full-time job at a director level for a global company. So, obviously there's time considerations there, and product photography is probably one of the most time consuming and expensive things to do in the retail market. And AI is a perfect use case for solving that. So I'm going to walk you kind of through what I built her to solve that problem. And the issue is twofold. It's not only creating the photos and having fresh content for social media and e-commerce and everything all the time, but also getting those to their retail partners, the people that carry their candles that also need content for social media and e-commerce websites. So this is Cantique Candle. And again, it's solving a business problem. It's solving a time problem with a very simple workflow. So I'm going to show you kind of how it works here. Let's refresh this. So it's a very simple front end. This is mobile first, actually. This is designed to be on mobile. There's an image server that we stood up for them, an NGIX image server that we stood up for them on the back end, completely self-hosted, all open source. I try to stay open source. So basically this links to the image server, but there's also a place where you can add photos. So the premise of this is you're going to take a simple photo of a candle on a white background, right? And you got a couple parameters here you can set. I made this as easy as possible, right? So we're going to do a flat lay. We're going to do 4:5, and you just need to put a very simple prompt in here. Springtime, light, airy, and elegant. Add elements of lemon, grapefruit, and orange. So very, very simple prompt. And we're just going to hit generate photo. So now what this does in the background, it kicks off this workflow here. The webhook fires off a query, right? We take that little query, passes it to an agent, and based on the prompt, it expands on that very simple prompt that we fed it, specifically for Google Nano Banana 2, because that's the image generation model that we use on the back end. I do use KIE.AI. I'll link it in the comments. It's a really great models market where you can run tons of different models. As you can see, this job's running right now at far below retail costs. They basically buy these things, and they buy API usage in bulk and pass the discount on to the customers. So it kicks the job off Google Nano Banana. It will poll and wait and wait and wait and wait until the job is done. And once it's done, it'll download that image, it uploads it to our image server, and then it serves it back to the front end of the application here. Here we go. And there we go. Great looking image. And the cool thing about this now is, so on the Cantique website, there's a wholesale portal where our stores can place orders and they can grab our digital assets. So now if I'm satisfied with this photo, I simply click approve, and now that is available in the digital assets folder, and there it is. And just that easy. And it costs about 6 cents per image to generate this, and we're using GPT-4 on the model for the prompt generation, and that's less than a penny per image. So very affordable, high quality images, and just solving business problems with AI. So if you'd like me to dig a little bit deeper into this, let me know in the comments. I'll upload this template so that you can use it to my website. So anyway, super short. I think it's cool. Let me know if you like it in the comments. Let me know if you built anything similar. Again, KIE.AI, great models market where you can try out a bunch of different stuff. So anyway, guys, take it easy. Peace.